Finding the courage to change. What is meditation? There's a Zen proverb that goes, you should sit in meditation for 20 minutes every day, unless you're too busy. Then you should sit for an hour. One of my teachers says, meditate first thing in the morning, then do anything else you have time for. Meditation is so vitally important that it must be the top priority of the day. What is meditation that I should make it my top priority? One definition of meditation is a devotional exercise of or leading to contemplation. Contemplation is described as thoughtful observation or study. I think of meditation as an exercise which allows my cork to float. There are several important parts to meditation: relaxation, attention, and allowing. I am an extension of Source energy, but I frequently don't feel my inner connection to Source. It's not that Source has disappeared, it's that I've lost touch with it. When I sit to meditate, my goal is simply to reconnect myself to Source. I'm plugging into the energy that creates worlds. I relax and allow myself to focus on something very simple. When my mind wanders, I simply refocus. Thinking consumes a lot of energy, like I'm trying to hold something buoyant underwater. When I stop thinking and start relaxing, focusing, and allowing, my vibration, like a cork, rises and connects with Source. When I'm connected to Source, I feel great. The exercise of meditation trains me to continually refocus on what is really important, allowing my cork to float.